So let us go through this question. The question is, in a class, the marks obtained by 7 students with all distinct values when arranged in increasing order form a GP. Okay, if there were total 200 MCQs of 1 mark each with no negative marking, then the maximum possible marks any student can obtain is okay. So basically 7 students are there and their numbers arranged to form a GP. Okay, so basically the numbers will be like dot 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 a ar dot 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 will go on till ar to the power 6. Okay, and now it is given that total 7 students are there. Their marks, total marks were less than 200. Okay, a is the marks of first student and ar to the power 6 is marks of the last student. Okay, and we know that a and r both need to be integer. That's quite obvious because it is given that 1 mark each correct answer and no negative marking, so everything has to be an integer. Okay, so their marks can also, because this will be an integer, this will be an integer, so the difference will be an integer as well. That's quite obvious. Okay, so these all will be integer. Okay, now our question is ar to the power 6 is the maximum marks. Okay, the question is maximum possible marks, and we know that there were total 200 questions, so maximum marks will certainly be less than 200. Okay, now let us see. Okay, see, we need to we have a and we have r to the power 6. Okay, what maximum value can r take? Okay, this will be the integer, so 1 we can take. Okay, possible. 2 we can give. Let's see, if we give 2, then 2 to the power 6 will be 2 to 4 to 8 to 16 to 30 to 64. Okay, possible. Okay, so this is 64 possible. Now if we give 3, then this will be 3, 3, 9, 3, 81, 2, 4, 3. It will clearly cross at 4 only. Okay, so 3 not possible. Okay, so maximum value of r can be 64. Okay, so we got a into 2 to the power 6. Okay, now what value can a take? We can give 1, we can give 2. This is 2 to 4 to 8 to 64 to 1 to 8 2 to 4 to 8 to 16 30 to 64. Okay, 64, this is 64. Okay, so this is 64, we'll write 64. Okay, now if we give a as 3, we'll get 3 4 12 3 6 18 192 possible, but as soon as we give 4, this will exceed 200. Okay, because we know that this is less than 200. Okay, so maximum possible a is 3 and r value is 2, so maximum possible marks is 3 into 2 to the power 6, so 192 is the answer to this question. 192. I hope it is clear.